everyone, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm going to film my full face makeup tutorial using some of the Glam Bag Plus and the original Glam Bag items that I have received. I did not receive any foundation, so I'm just going to stick to the one that I was using, but I'm going to incorporate a lot of the new products. So I'm super excited for that. I did wash my face and moisturize as I have previously said in my video before this. Obviously, it's the same day. I'm still wearing the same shirt. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to use that I received was the Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. It's in this super cute packaging, shiny blue bottle. And I did wash my hands after touching all this stuff, so it says apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin. Perfect. I'm just gonna put some of that in my hand, and wow, I'm impressed. I was expecting just a white cream, but this is actually pigmented. I probably could use this as foundation. We'll see. It doesn't have any fragrance. I'm just gonna, oh, I do smell like tea tree oil or something. It's going in just like a face cream moisturizer. I'm not really seeing too much coverage, so I'm not going to use this as my main foundation. It feels really nice. It's really absorbing quickly into my skin, and it's leaving a dewy kind of consistency on my skin, which is going to hold my makeup in, I feel. So, okay, I think that's good. Now I'm going to use my normal foundation, which is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte. You can find that on Amazon. And I usually don't use a makeup sponge or anything. I just like using my hand, rubbing it in. And I know some of you guys do that out there. And by any means, I'm no professional. So don't be roasting me in the comments. Okay. I'm going to add just a little bit more here. I notice as I'm getting older, I'm getting kind of like darker circles under my eyes. Like right in here. I hope you guys are having a good day. Comment below what your favorite makeup products are that you use that you think I should try. You guys can kind of see what kind of skin I have, so my skin's feeling really nice. And it usually doesn't feel this nice after I put my foundation on, so it's that Dr. Brandt that's really helping. Okay, I think I got it pretty good. Next, I'm going to use that new liquid eyeliner that I got. I don't know, yeah, it's liquid. It's a Araceli brand, if I'm saying that right. So I'm going to try that. It looks a lot like my Kat Von D ink eyeliner. It's got a nice kind of marker tip, I want to say. So I'm excited because I really like that ink. I'm hoping this is very comparable. I don't know how much this retails for, so I need to scoot forward to see the mirror. Oh my gosh. It's going on nice. Sorry if you can't see me. I'm almost done. It is really bold. I like it. I think I'm gonna show you guys how we do my cat eye. So here's how the bottom's looking, really bold. And to compare this with the Kat Von D ink one, this is feeling a lot more wet and like it's more easy to apply. I'm really liking this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my top cat eye thing on quick. Hopefully I can do this fast. I'm not the best. Just giving you guys a heads up. Some of you guys can do your makeup so fast and perfect. There's one. Last one. Hopefully it's easy. Well, this is awesome eyeliner. This might be my new favorite, honestly. Sorry if I'm taking too long. I think I got it pretty good. Honestly, it's not going to be like super perfect because I'm filming, so let's just go with this. I love this eyeliner. It was a lot more wet, like I said, than the Kat Von D brush, and it felt really cool and like glides really easy. So that's done. I don't know which eyeshadow I should use. There's that powder flamingo one that I showed you. That's called the, I'm going to say Shania B, but maybe I'm saying it wrong. Maybe it's Shana B. I'm sorry guys if I'm pronouncing everything wrong. And then I got the Sayate London Gold Creamy eyeshadow, which I think I'm going to use this because it looks like it's going to be easy, no fallout. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. Look at how pigmented this is and shimmery. Gorgeous. So I'm just going to put that on quick. I like to put it a little bit on top of that vivid black line on top of my eyelids so it doesn't look like a marker line. And so it's not so intense. Put a little bit more on. Maybe I'll add some of that Shana B in my crease. We'll see. I'm liking this a lot. It just gives a really like good highlight. I don't know if you guys can see the shimmer in that. I love it. I'm excited to see how good this stays throughout the day without getting a crease line. I think I'm going to add a little bit of that darker, I don't know which one I should add though. Let me swatch it first. This one is, that darker matte one is not that noticeable. Let me see the shimmer. That's a nice kind of gold color. I think I'm going to try that right in my crease line, just for like an added darkness. Just for a little something extra. And sometimes when I do my crease line, I do use a little bit of brush, or a small brush, I mean, just so I can blend it better, but it is what it is here. And it looks like I got some oops right there, but all right. It's a little bit noticeable, not much. It's kind of a natural shade. All right, I do like that. Next, I'm going to add some of the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. I've never used a setting powder before, but I watched some videos of people using it, so hopefully I'm doing it semi-right. I can't get that thing off the top of it. Okay, I got it. I have this kind of big brush. I don't know if this is too big for this kind of thing, but we'll see. And I'm sorry if I'm doing this all wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Oh my gosh. It's flying everywhere. I'm gonna hold my breath. All right. I'm not really sure where else you're supposed to put this. So I'm just going to stick it with, maybe I'm thinking sometimes they put it on their forehead and maybe right here. I don't know. I'm just gonna stick with that. Pack on a little bit more. Whew! Oh, it's really flying in the air here. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Hopefully I don't look ridiculous. Okay, what a mess. Well, I'm hoping I like that. I always wanted to try something like that. Okay, the next thing, what was I gonna do? I think I'm nearing the end here. I didn't get any new mascara in the box, so I was just gonna add my Bad Gal by Benefit mascara. And I was going to use my lip gloss I used yesterday. And my brow color. Okay, I'm just gonna put these on while I'm waiting for that stuff to set. This is the Gimme Brows by Benefit. Being I got so much powder in my brows, this really helps. And then I'm gonna put this 24-hour brow setter on top, which is like a thin glue consistency. All right. What else? I was gonna put some more of that Hoola Benefit bronzer on too. Okay, I think I'm ready to brush that baking stuff off. I'm not sure if I let it sit long enough, but We'll see. The struggle is real here. I'm not sure. Was I supposed to brush it all off? Oh my gosh. Comment down below. I feel like there's still a little bit on. Oh yeah, I definitely can feel something. All right. Now I'm going to use the bronzer. I didn't put my mascara on yet. Maybe I'll do that. I am so excited for that Lush package. It's been months since I stepped foot into the store. It's good. Now I'm going to do the bronzer. I'm sorry this video is taking longer than expected. The Hoola Bronze Powder by Benefit. Just kind of adds a sun-kissed look to your skin. I'm almost wondering if I should have added I honestly could have added my regular powder on top, but this is pretty good. And then I could have added my bronzer. All right, I think that's pretty good. Now for my lip gloss. This is the Extra Long Lasting Lip Gloss by Avon. No shade. All right, I think that's it for my Ipsy makeup look. I really like it. Got a piece of the brush on my nose. I really do enjoy all the products that I received. But yeah, if you saw me do something wrong, please comment down below in a nice, kind manner. Probably the next video I'll do is probably either my Lush video or this Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. This might be a very satisfying video if you guys like watching peeling off masks, so maybe I'll do that one next in the evening when I'm washing my face and taking off all this makeup. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome day. I hope you guys have been enjoying these new kind of videos from me. Thank you all for the awesome comments. Stay tuned for the next video. Please subscribe. Bye.